Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to create new account in your Spotify app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already installed Spotify app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Spotify app. Here I go. At the bottom, you can see different options as sign up free, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, or login. Here you have to tap on sign up free, or also you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. But for now, here I will be tapping on sign up free. Now you have to enter your email address. After you are done, tap on next. Now you have to create a password for your Spotify account. After you are done, tap on next. Now you have to select date of birth for your Spotify account. Here I will be tapping on not now. Tap on next. Now you have to select your gender. Tap on done. Now you have to select name for your Spotify account. Now you have to tick mark on that small circle boxes. Tap on create account on the bottom. Wait for a few seconds. It is in the process. Now you have to choose 3 or more artists you like. Tap on done after you are done. I would not like to turn on notifications, so I will be tapping on not now. You can see that I have easily created Spotify account. In this way, you can also easily create your Spotify account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.